With over 150 born to see, become a Pokemon master is my destiny. What's up, Mugenites? Hope you've all enjoyed your New Year's and your Christmas. As for your winter breaks, for anyone still going to school, it's just about over. Yeah, I saw some posts about that from a couple of Mugenites this morning. They're pretty sad about it. But hey, that's school for you. Let's see if I can defeat all 4 Pokemon using my refrigerator. A whole new Pokemon, a whole new breed. So far I am doing well. Coward! Fight me! Why did I say that? Come here, you! Ooh. I'll get you! Ouch! Wow, this guy's fast. Yeah! He used Psychic! Ditto's cheating! That's not his part. That's not his original moveset. He only knows Transform! Ouch. Take that, cheater! Someone obviously hacked this Ditto. I'll bring it to great justice. It's like you're playing an online Wi-Fi battle right now. Take that! Refrigerator door was super effective. You win. You gain 14 XP. Wow, that's not much. He used Confuse Ray. He's doing Curse. He threw a melon in a random beverage. Oh, and it hit the Umbreon. It's super effective. It still keeps being super effective. Wait, what? Ow! Cheater! Well, actually, that's just your double team. Ha! Take that! Random beverage and a melon. Whoa, where were... Oh! 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 Ha! Refrigerator door was also effective on you. It has a hidden power element where it randomly does some different moves. Where it has different... You know what? I don't know. I'm just making this up as I go. Knock it off. Bad Torchic. Bad Torchic. Wait, no, that's not the same. It's Akamo. Akamo. Ah! Quit using Ember! Ow! Just because I'm a water and ice type doesn't mean it's going to be that effective. Curse you! You've slipped behind me. Ouch! And he flare blitzed. Or that could be Tackle. I don't know. No, it's Peck. It's definitely Peck. Ow! Quit calling your buddies. This is supposed to be a one-on-one battle. First a hacker, then, and now we're getting double teamed. What's this Pokemon world coming to? It's like I don't even recognize it anymore. Where are the wild Pidgeys flying in the background? Ow, 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 ow. Knock it off. Taken down by the melon attack, huh? Strange, that's a grass type attack. It shouldn't be very effective to you. Ow. Get it, get it, get it, ow. Ow. No! when he's dragon rushing me, I gotta counter it quickly. Ah, jeez, this is not good. Yes, he's going to keep dragon rushing me in the corner, like a little cheater. Help! Overpowered Hydreigon! Save me! Ha! Caught you! No! You shouldn't get health back for that. Ah! Get him, Melon! Get him, Melon! Ah, jeez. Uh-oh. Back off. What? Wow, you lifted off after I hit you once? You can tell this guy's broken. Ouch. How did Dark Pulse eventually get to me? That don't make sense. Yes, he's going to keep dragon rushing me in the corner. He's too close. Can't shake free. And yes, he's going to keep trying to Dark Pulse me. Sorry. Ah, come on. Just one more hit. Yes! I did it! I've become a Pokemon Master using a refrigerator. Beat that! Hope you all enjoyed the fight. Yes, I was controlling the refrigerator in case you were wondering. And until next time, Mugenites, see ya.